I wish to take this opportunity on behalf of the Security Committee to sincerely thank the members of public who throughout these investigations have given us utmost cooperation that has led to this breakthrough in the murder of the late Collins Kipchumba Kimeto. We have been able to net six key suspects that allegedly were involved in this heinous act, and they are all in police custody. I cannot say they are members of which gang or the nature of persons. Once they appear in court and the identities are revealed, we'll be able to get to know whether they are members of any group or they are common criminals. Two of